So this is what I've been using for the past 5 or so years. It's just a galvanized bucket with these PowerTech, I think, adapters. It works pretty well. As you can see, a lot of dust in there, but a lot of times it flips over on me because I'm pulling it too far. It doesn't hold all that much, but it does pretty well. It's also because of the way that these are drooping, it's actually eating into the hose right here. See, it's kind of coming apart. It's double walled, so there's no leakage yet, but I don't want, these are not cheap from Rockler, so I don't want to have to replace this. I ordered this cyclone dust separator from Rockler, hoping and praying that will be the solution to my dust collecting issues. With the dust separator that I had was knocking over, and the fact that it just didn't have enough suction anymore. I haven't seen anything on or could find anything on YouTube on how to even put this together or what it looked like. So I filmed the whole process of putting the dust separator together. This first part is the skeleton to the dust separator bag. It keeps the bag from closing in and collapsing on itself when the dust collector is running. Up next is the top of the connection piece where the dust separator bag is connected to the Cyclone. I put on the handles and then attach this to the ribs. Once that's all finished, then you move on to the Cyclone. You need to attach the inner cone there to the hose connection on the top. Now this is where I messed up, as I started to screw these two pieces together and then I realized I had forgotten the gasket and I had to tear it all apart and put it back together again. Luckily I didn't get that far into it before I figured out what I had done. This wasn't too hard, but it does help to have little hands to get some of the screws into the tighter places. Now I didn't show on camera, but once I got this together, and this is the bracket that holds the whole thing to the wall, I took it over to the wall to fit it to make sure that everything was in the correct place and that the outlet was going in the right direction, that I would still have room to plug everything in, the hose and everything. Once I was sure that was ready, then I put all the screws in. Putting the bag on the ribs was not too cumbersome, but I don't see myself removing this every time I want to dump it. I think it's just going to be too much work. So I'm probably just going to end up holding my breath over the garbage can and dumping it in. So this strap will be a permanent fixture and I will not be taking this off and on. Here it all is put together. The setup I have right now is temporary as I use the hoses and the things that I had on hand. Eventually I will be replacing some of this corrugated hose with the smooth pipes for better airflow. I was amazed at how much more suction I got out of this than I had before. I don't have any of those fancy meters to see what the airflow difference is between this and what I had, but it is significantly better. I wasn't able to suck up shavings like this from my lathe before. I was having to stuff it into the hose and kind of hope that it went up and in through my dust collector, and this is way better. As you can see here, there's hardly any dust at the bottom of the filter. This is just some of the fine dust that got through, and all the rest of it ended up in the bag in the dust separator. So far, this has been a huge upgrade for my dust collection system, and I'm hoping it'll get even better once I change out some of those hoses to the pipes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helps some of you who are looking into something better for your dust collection system.